How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. So in order to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet account. Make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. First of all, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Now then, to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, first of all, go ahead and tap the buy button. As soon as you've done that, then you'll need to go ahead and select the crypto that you wish to buy. So I'm gonna go with crypto. So for that, type in CRO and select the one. Next interface, it's gonna ask you to enter in the exact amount that you wish to pay or that you wish to buy. So enter in the amount, and one of the most important thing is make sure that you've already linked your bank account. Once you've linked your bank account, then you'll be able to pay using your bank account or your debit card whatsoever, and click on buy with credit card if you're using a credit card, and it's going to direct you to the other interface where it's going to show you the interface something like this. Here you can just go ahead and enter in all sort of details, or you'll be able to see your summary page and all that, and that's basically how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.